Alright, so my video number 2 is on Google Sheets. I think that Google Sheets is a great program. This can be aimed towards parents, the kids, and their coworkers. This is a great way. It's kind of like an Excel sheet, except you're able to use it on your Google Docs. That way you can log in at home and at work, and you don't have to take your work computer home. I like the to-do list, and I can also create a new spreadsheet. And let it load. But this is great because I can come in and do run times here, and I can pick, if I can spell, I can do students' names, and then I can come across and put what day of the week it is up here even, and move the title down and the names down. And that way I can keep track of run times, students' grades. I can also make different programs. And so one of the programs at our school is Girls on the Run. And so I can keep track of how far they ran, how much further they need to run. I feel like this is very important because data is everything in schools anymore. And we can also do different programs. I'm not sure on all the coding right now to be able to show you, but we can also do different codings in the squares that will add up the columns and the rows and help us find the averages to help us teachers out. And this is Google Spreadsheet.